Hey guys, I'm Apurva from bloggingmaker.com. Today we are going to see 10x social review. Today's video may a little longer because in this video I will give you some information about 10x social software which you may not find in any other reviews. I will show you every features of the software and all the bonuses that I am giving you with it. So in a nutshell, this is a messenger marketing app which allows you to follow your customers through SMS, comments, emails, videos to get 10x leads, sales and results. So be sure to stay with me in the video till the end. I am sure you love it. So let's see what bonuses you are getting with this software. Okay, so let's see the bonus page. So this is my bonus page. You will find the link in the description below. So let's see the bonuses you get. Okay, so the first bonus you get is a video engager. So with this software, with this plugin, you can add any kind of real-time voting with videos. Okay, so you can engage your viewers with voting, or you can choose the number of competitors and add an image for them, which leads to promoting you and increase the reach of your page. Okay, so the next bonus is WP Ecommerce soft to Facebook. So this plugin is automatically import your WP Commerce store onto your Facebook fan page, having it fully customized to fit both the Facebook arena and original brand's look and feel. So you can see the description of this bonus. I'm not going to read all of these features, so please read this feature of these bonuses. Okay, you will find the link in the description, first link. Okay, so the third bonus is WP Facebook quiz creator. With this WP Facebook quiz creator, you can easily create fun, entertaining Facebook quizzes with just a few clicks of your mouse. Okay, so the fourth bonus is email list secret video tutorial. This video tutorial shows you how you can generate thousands of leads per day and just a few clicks. You will see the tricks of getting leads every day. Okay, so the fifth bonus is WP web transformer. You can create beautiful pop-ups in minutes and start converting your website visitors into subscribers, social followers and customers. So with this plugin you can create pop-ups for your visitor. Okay, so the sixth and the last bonus is the vendor bonuses. I am giving you all the vendor bonuses, which is vendor giving it to me to give it to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you later, but after purchasing, how you can avail these bonuses. So you are after buying 10x social, you are landed this page, this JB page. Okay, you can see this blue button under the thank you page. You have to click on this button and you are avail all of the bonuses. I'm giving it to you. Okay, so let's see the bonuses, vendor bonuses, which is vendor giving it to you. So the first bonus is email list building strategy. The second bonus is traffic generating resources. So the third bonus is copywriting automator. Fourth bonus is auto blog builder. Fifth is video script templates. Okay, so this five bonuses I am giving you from the vendor side. So you need to just click on these blue green buttons and you are redirected to the sales page. So this is the sales page. Please go through it. Very informative and attractive sales page is here, so go through it. I didn't go through all of this, please. I didn't want to make the video so longer. Okay, so let's see the review, actual review. So here is at the dashboard of 10x social. After landing on the landing page dashboard, after landing on the dashboard, the first thing you have to do is you have to add your own Facebook account. So please go through it. You need to just add your social account and click on add account button. Okay, so after clicking on add account button, you can see they will redirect it to my Facebook page, and add my demo Facebook page here. So let's add my Facebook page, Facebook profile actually. So let's continue as Apurva Silva. So you can see you have successfully connected your Facebook account. Okay, so click on continue. So you can see this. Yeah, I am added my account. So after adding your account, you can you have to, next thing you have to do is subscriber. So you have to click on people data and subscriber. You have to add your own account. You have to add your own page. Okay, so I am adding my page. So they didn't show to add my page, but here you can see the blogging maker page is added already, because I am adding my profile before this making this video, so they didn't see it, show it. Okay, so please go through the tutorial again. Okay, so you can, after clicking on tutorial, you will see 3 tutorials there. They will add more tutorials after you have to buying it, so please go through the tutorials. Okay, so next feature is here. You can see the text to speech features is available. I'll show you how it is work. So you can see convert text to speech. So you can you have to click any kind of text. Yeah, they will you have to select the voices, so language and voices. Okay, so you have to select any language and voices. You can see Chinese, Arabic, any many kinds of Hindi, Greek, German, many kind of language is available here. So you have to select any kind of language. So I'll select any Luli, something like that. So after select, you have to click on convert speech. So you can see the text is converted to speech. Okay, so you can select translate text to any language. You can convert your English to any kind of language. Okay, so you can, here you can see the from Dutch to English or English to Dutch, any kind of. Okay, sorry. So after that, you can you have to go to composer. So here you can add your post. Okay, so I'll show you how it's work. So here you can see my post is already added, because I'll tell you that my page is already added. So here you have to select the author, sort by account. Okay, you need to create a new post. So I'm select a post. You can add any video or image. So I'm just add any image. Okay, I'll add it. So let's add this one. So after adding one, you have to add any description. I just put a random description here. You have to select a name. You have to choose your Facebook page. As my page is blogging maker, so this page is already added. You can add any emoji. You can add any keyword. Set your comment. You can set already you can set your what comments. Okay, so here some like someone comment. Okay, so just in a response you can add any kind of response. Okay, from by for price keyword. So you can send it immediately, or you can send it later, like after 2 minutes or after 3 minutes. Okay, so you can send it immediately or later. So after that, you have to click on create button. So you can see my photo, and the unique name is give a unique name to the contest. Okay, so I have to give a name of the contest here. So okay, so I need a name, best information. Okay, like someone asked me the information about this post or this t-shirt or something like that, and I am going to give him the message, and the response message is, I'll talk to you later. I will talk to you later. Okay, so just the response is here. You have to save it. Okay, you can see the save is successfully. So you can see the response is response text is already submitted. So here you can keyword and the price. Okay, you can add any kind of button. You can add audio, you can add image, you can add media videos for of your response. Okay, you can add also buttons also. In the advanced section, you can ask him for phone number, you can ask him for email addresses. So here you can say phone number request message. Here you can see email request messages. Okay, so this is something like that. Okay, so in the chat widget, I will click on the chat widget section. Here you can see some plugins which you can add on your website. So you can see the chat plugin, the messenger plugin, the send to messenger plugin, messages plugin. So these are the four plugin which you can add on